Hello student, in this topic of class 10, we discuss about the acid. Acid is a substance which comes from the Latin word aciduous, meaning is sour in taste. In chemistry, we define acid like acid is a substance which when dissolved in water give H plus or hydronium ion. Formula of hydronium ion H3O plus. For example, when you dissolve HCl, hydrogen chloride with water, then the product is hydronium ion plus chloride ion. In the same way, when you dissolve H2SO4 or sulfuric acid in water, then the product is 2 hydronium ion and sulfate ion. Okay. Now we are discussing about the type of acid. First is on the basis of the occurrence. We discuss acid is of two types. On the basis of sources, we say that on the basis of the sources, acid is of two types. First is organic acid. Organic acid which are obtained from plants and animals known as organic acid. Example, citric acid which we are obtained from citrus fruits. Another example is formic acid which we are obtained from ants, etc. All organic acids are weak acids. All organic acids are weak acids. All organic acid contains carbon as well as hydrogen in spite of oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen present in all organic acid. Another type of acid on the basis of the sources is inorganic acid. Inorganic acid which are obtained from the earth crust known as inorganic acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, etc. All organic acids are strong acid. All organic acids are strong acid. Exceptions is carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. Although carbonic acid contains hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, but it is not an organic acid, it is inorganic acid. And it is a weak acid, but it's come in the category of inorganic acid. Now on the basis of the strength, acid is of two types. On the basis of strength, acid is of two types. First, before knowing the strong acid or weak acid, first what is the meaning of strength? The acid which is completely ionized, or we can say the ionization power of acid known as strength of acid. The acid which is completely ionized known as strong acid. Strong acid completely ionized in aqueous solution. Or we can so say that it is completely dissociated into two parts. For example, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid went down into H plus and Cl minus. In the another example, H2SO4, it break into 2 H plus and SO4 minus 2 minus ion. Another is a weak acid, which is partially ionized in aqueous solution. Partially ionized in aqueous solution. For example, For example, acetic acid CH3COOH, I break down into CH3COO minus plus H plus. Again this CH3COO minus break down into CH3 plus CO2. Therefore acetic acid known as weak acid. Now on the basis of the concentration, acid is of two types. Again, nowadays on the basis of the concentration, acid is of two types. On the basis of concentration, acid is of two types. One is concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. When the amount of acid is more and the amount of water is less, then it is known as concentrated acid. For example, concentrated HCl, concentrated H2SO4, etc. And second is dilute acid. When the amount of dilute acid, when the amount of acid is less and amount of water is more, then it is known as dilute acid. Example, dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4, etc. This is all about the definition of acid and the type of acid. In the next class, we will discuss about physical and the chemical properties of acid. Thank you.